Welcome. This video is brought to you by My Shoe Covers reusable and washable booties for residential contractors with a grip you can count on. In this video, we'll walk you through the top electrical trade shows and conferences, explaining the unique value each event offers and why you should consider attending. Let's dive in. If you're in the electrical industry, attending trade shows and conferences is one of the best ways to grow your business, sharpen your skills, and stay ahead of the competition. These events give us a unique chance to see the latest technology firsthand, learn from industry experts, and connect with fellow professionals who share our challenges and goals. Whether you're a technician, contractor, or business owner, investing time in these events can open doors to new ideas, partnerships, and opportunities that can elevate your career or company to the next level. 1. NECA Convention and Trade Show. This conference is a hub for electrical construction knowledge and innovation. It brings together electricians, project managers, estimators, and professionals focused on safety, codes, technology integration, and electrical system design. Attending this event helps us deepen our understanding of updated codes, emerging technologies, and the future of electrical contracting. 1. IECCon, Independent Electrical Contractors Convention. Known as a major national showcase for electrical contractors, IECCon is where manufacturers and suppliers display the latest tools, software, safety gear, and technologies. We get hands-on access to new products, live demos, and direct conversations with experts who build the equipment we rely on every day. It's an essential event for anyone wanting to stay on the cutting edge. 1. IEEE Conference and Exhibition. Focused on power systems, distribution, and smart grid technologies, this event is ideal for professionals working in commercial, industrial, and utility electrical environments. It offers valuable education sessions, policy updates, and exhibits dedicated to high-voltage equipment, grid modernization, and emerging power solutions. 1. NFPA Conference and Expo. This conference is designed for safety training, code updates, and professional development. Electricians, inspectors, and contractors benefit from practical workshops covering everything from NECA updates to arc flash standards, fire protection, and energy storage system requirements. For those committed to continuous learning, this event provides the tools needed to elevate safety and technical expertise. 1. Electrical Contractors Conference, Electri and NECA. Hosted by Electri International and NECA, this event focuses on the business side of electrical contracting. We learn leadership skills, operational strategies, financial planning, and marketing techniques. It's a great place to connect with other business owners, share challenges, and discover solutions that improve productivity and profitability. 1. Service World Expo. This event blends electrical contracting with entrepreneurship and business growth. It's geared towards residential contractors looking to scale their businesses with practical advice on marketing, recruiting, customer experience, and sales strategies. Attending energizes us with new ideas to grow and streamline operations. Even attending just one or two of these events can transform how we approach our business or technical work. They provide opportunities to learn from experts, network with peers, discover innovative technology, and gain fresh ideas that give us a competitive edge in an ever-evolving industry. Be sure to check the video description for links to each of these events so you can learn more or register. If you found this helpful, please like, comment with which event you're interested in, and subscribe for more electrical business insights. On behalf of the My Shoe Covers team, thanks for watching. Perhaps we'll see you on the show floor.